Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a white dress shirt. First, check your shirt's care label to confirm it's safe to iron. Next, fill your iron with water if it uses steam, as this helps remove wrinkles more effectively. Finally, lay your white dress shirt flat on a clean, sturdy ironing board, making sure it's spread out smoothly and ready for the next steps. Now, begin by ironing the underside of the collar, working from the center outwards. Then, flip the shirt and iron the top side of the collar. Next, move to the cuffs, ironing both the inside and outside surfaces until they are crisp and smooth. This sets a great foundation for the rest of the shirt. Next, lay one sleeve flat on the board, aligning the seams to create a smooth surface. Iron the sleeve from the shoulder down to the cuff, being careful to avoid creating a sharp crease if you prefer a softer look. Repeat this process for the other sleeve. Finally, iron the yoke, which is the upper back part of the shirt, ensuring it's wrinkle-free. Now, iron the front panels of the shirt, carefully working around any buttons. Then, move to the back panel, ironing it smoothly from top to bottom. Once the entire shirt is wrinkle-free, immediately hang it on a hanger. This simple step helps maintain its crisp appearance and prevents new wrinkles from forming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.